This is my 88.6, it's a Toyota Corolla, and I have what we like to call the formula, which is the beams, the panic mate harness, the Link ECU, and all those boys come together, and it's just like a really reliable setup. We run them super hard, we get it really hot, we do a lot of laps, and it still runs great.
That's why we all drive these Corollas, is we can get more seat time out of them than pretty much any other car. Yeah, tires are cheap. We don't have to worry about turbos overheating, stuff like that. So we're just out here sending it all day. And yeah, I think it's a testament to the work that they do and the ECUs we're running for sure.
You know, we've been friends, all of us as a group have been friends for so long, and to finally be able to all come together and have all of our cars at the same event and do a giant tandem train of all 8.6s was super fun. And you know, we all run panic parts and Link ECUs, and so having all like the power match makes tandeming perfect.